Hi, I'm Dr. Amy Baxter, emergency pediatrician and inventor of VibraCool. Here's how to use your VibraCool Easy Fit. To open the box, pull on the bottom tab and slide the tab out. Each box comes with an ice pack, a strap, the vibration unit with batteries included, and instructions. Before using VibraCool, make sure the ice packs are frozen solid. The ice melts after 20 minutes to reduce the risk of freezer burn, so keep it between other ice packs during transportation. To begin using your VibraCool, slide the vibration unit into the sleeve and strap it over the area of pain, keeping the thermal source closest to your skin. Then press the top to activate the vibration unit. The VibraCool unit has a 20-hour battery life. If the batteries run out, simply unscrew on the back of the unit and replace with 2 new AAA batteries. For more information about VibraCool and to stay updated about VibraCool content and new products, check out and subscribe to our channel.